The Renko chart is a type of graphical representation that originated in Japan and is used primarily to identify trends more clearly and eliminate market noise. Unlike traditional charts, such as candlestick or bar charts, which are based on price action over time, the Renko chart focuses solely on measuring the range of price movements. Renko blocks are generated when the price moves a certain number of points or pips, regardless of the time it takes to do so. In this way, the Renko chart offers the following advantages. Elimination of market noise by filtering out small price movements that are not significant. Renko charts help identify trends more easily without so much drama. Clarity in trend direction. Thanks to the clarity of the blocks or bricks, this chart allows you to see easily and directly when a trend changes direction. Decision making. The Renko chart helps you see support and resistance points more clearly, as well as trend breaks and ranges, which helps you determine critical points such as entry or exit, stop loss, and take profit. Best for trend following. Because it highlights trends more clearly, it is ideal for trading strategies that focus on following large market movements. Now, I will show you how to install this type of chart for free in the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platform, and I will give you a template with 2 indicators to combine with the Renko chart, which make a very good strategy if you have enough trading experience. You will find the indicators in our Telegram channel completely free. The link is in the description. Go and download them. If you like this content, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. It will motivate me to upload videos more frequently and continuously improve the quality of the content. Let's start with MetaTrader 4. When you unzip the downloaded file, you will find a folder containing 3 subfolders. Each of these subfolders contains files that should be placed in locations within MetaTrader 4. We open the MetaTrader files by clicking on File and Open Data Folder. This will open the directory where you should copy the files. First, copy the file into the template folder and copy it into the templates folder of the MetaTrader data folder. Now the file inside the EA Renko folder, copy and paste it into the folder named Experts inside the MQL4 folder. Then copy the files from the Indicators folder into the Indicators folder. After copying them, close and reopen MetaTrader 4. Now, first we are going to load the Renko chart. For this, we look in the Expert Advisor section for the Renko Advisor and add it to the chart. In its parameters, we can configure it according to our needs. Mainly, we can choose between 2 ways to work with this type of chart. One is with fixed box size, which means that each Renko brick will have the same range of movement. For example, a new box is drawn only when the price moves at least 10 pips in any direction. If the price moves up 10 pips, a new bullish box is drawn. If it goes down 10 pips, a new bearish box is drawn. The second way to calculate the Renko chart is to use the average true range. This means that the size of the range needed to complete a brick will vary according to the volatility of the price that is useful in some systems. But for this strategy, we will use a fixed box size of 10 pips, which is what is normally used in Forex, but it should be adjusted according to what you are trading. It is also necessary to check the box to allow importing the DLL library and accept. Once this has been done, a message will appear in the upper corner of the chart, indicating that we must open the chart in offline mode in a 2-minute time frame. To do this, we must click on the Files tab and click on Open Offline. Once inside, we will look for the same symbol where we loaded the indicator. Select the 2-minute time frame and click on Open. Then, a second chart window will open, and this will be the fully functional Renko chart. Now, we only have to load the Renko Smart Strategy template, and that's it. This strategy consists of 2 indicators, the Renko Trend Indicator and the CHT Value Indicator. The Renko Trend Indicator is used to identify short-term trend changes. If the indicator is dark, it means that the price is going down. And if it is light, it means that the price is now tending to go up. The second indicator value, CHT, is used to measure price impulses and oscillations. The bars oscillate between a maximum and a minimum level. When the bars are at the upper limit, it means that the price is at its maximum level in relation to its previous oscillations. This may indicate an exhaustion of the upward momentum, where the price may begin to reverse. When the bars are at the lower border, it means that the price is at its lowest level in relation to its previous movements. This could signal that the price is at a low point, and there is a possibility of a bullish bounce. So, the strategy is to take an entry when the price makes a turn in favor of the trend. The turns occur when the CHT value indicator indicates color change, but entries should be taken only in favor of the trend. For example, if the trend indicator indicates a downtrend, we expect the CHT indicator to change from light to dark color. For a safer entry, it is preferable that the indicator has been at the overbought levels before the color change. Once the bar closes with the color change, then a trade is entered. The stop loss should be positioned one block above the last bar of the previous color, and trailing stop as the price advances in favor. In the same way, if the indicator marks an uptrend, we will only take bullish entries. An order should be placed after the indicator color changes from dark to light. The bar should have closed before sending the order, and position the stop loss one block away below the last brick of the other color, and move the stop loss as the price moves in favor to ensure profits. Knowing the logic behind the strategy, we can complement it with technical analysis to find scenarios with a higher probability of success, such as support, resistance, chart patterns, Fibonacci retracements, volume analysis, and so on. In this scenario, the strategy gives me a buy signal, but the price is below a resistance level, so it is better to miss this opportunity or wait for the price to break above that level. We can also add other analysis tools, such as a 100-period exponential moving average, to observe the longer-term trend and further filter entries. When the average is below, put only buys, and when it is above, only sells. Now we will move to MetaTrader 5. We install the indicators in the same way, moving the indicator files to the corresponding MetaTrader folders. Once MetaTrader is restarted, to apply the indicators is simple. We just load the template to any chart, and that's it. If, at the first time the trend indicator is not displayed, it is because you need to activate the DLL import checkbox. Activating it will make it display correctly. In the Expert Advisor settings, we can also modify the Renko values as we want. The logic is the same. Take positions on price reversals in favor of the trend, but in this version, we have things more simplified. The arrows appear when the price makes a reversal, but it still has to be confirmed by the trend indicator. The management of the stop loss is the same. Place it one brick farther from the last brick of the previous color and move it as the price moves in favor. In this scenario, a reversal indicator alert appears and shows the bullish arrow. The trend indicator shows an uptrend, and the price is above the 100-period average. It is a good bullish scenario. I send an order and place the stop loss, one block away from the last brick of the previous color. As the trade unfolds, I move the stop loss to lock in profits and let the price run. As we could see, by understanding how the market works and the advantages of the Renko chart, we can design effective strategies with the infinite tools available. But remember that every moment in the market is unique, and past results in no way guarantee future results. So we must be in a constant evolution and learning to adapt and survive the financial markets. If you found this video interesting and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.